Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. This video is specific for Fetch theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, I have already created a playlist. I have already published the videos for other themes. Here is the current situation of my store. You can see that I have 3 products. Each product has different color variants, but all are not displaying here. So I am interested to display them on the collection page. You should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading it, you will be having some files and you should open document.txt, and inside of it I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. You should go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see I have installed Fetch theme. You should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some folders and files. Again, go back to the documentation, create a new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-variant. So you should copy this, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste the name here. Then click on done. In the same way, you should create another new snippet, color-product-grid-item. So copy this, click on add a new snippet, paste it here and then click on done. Now you should paste the attached code, color-variant.txt. You should select this complete code, copy it and paste it inside of color-variant.liquid. Then save the changes and then close the file. You should copy the code of color-product-grid-item and paste it inside of this file and click on save and then close this file. The third step is go to snippets, open collection-grid file. So here we have to search. You can see that collection-grid.liquid, and inside of it we are interested to find product-grid-item. Using Control F or maybe Command F, you should search it. It will be highlighted here. You need to replace this with color-variant. Here we have color-variant and then click on save. Now the fourth step is that go to assets, open theme.js. So here we have to search theme.js, open this file and then search this line of code. So using Control F you can find this. It will be highlighted, and this is a function actually. So inside of this function what we have to do is we need to replace this line with these 4 lines. Alright, so where is this line of code? So you should copy this and maybe using Control F it will be highlighted. You can see that this is the line of code. So that line need to be replaced with these lines of code. So I am going to replace this with these line of codes. Then after you should save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can refresh this page. So here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displaying here, and that's how we have solved the problem. So you can see that how beautiful this is now. Earlier we only had 3 products and now all their color variants are also displaying. So that's how you can implement this feature into your store. If you stuck somewhere, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.